Today's video is about how you can create an Instagram account. If this sounds helpful, watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any uploads from us. In order to create an Instagram account, you need to open up a browser. In the search bar, type in instagram.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now click on the sign up button. You will need to fill all the necessary information. Start by typing in your email address or your mobile number. Now type in your full name. Also create a username. Now you need to create a strong password. Your password must include numbers, letters, and special characters. If you want to confirm your password, you can click on the I button. After you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the sign up button. Now add in your birthday. Now click on next. A code will be sent to your email address. Type in the confirmation code. After that, click on next. Just like that, you can create your Instagram account. I hope you found the video helpful. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.